Hi, this is Ryan A. So yo, this is my mom, Carol Augustine, the beautiful, green, brown-eyed hero, or heroine rather. So, Carol, I love you.
Yes, Ryan.
This is my last 20, right? So my last 20 is, if you had $20 left, and the clothes on your back, and a laptop, right? So I know you're not into laptops and the internet, but what would you do? That's that's all you have. Right now, everything went left. You had $20, the clothes on your back, and a laptop. What would you do? What are your options?
A laptop?
Yeah.
Message my 3 sons and ask them for help.
Okay, that's great. So family is the answer. I don't know if you all heard her, but she says message her 3 sons who she raised crazily. But yes, wonderful answer. Thank you. So I love you. And she would never do this. I'm not sure I could post this. So we will see how that goes. But love you guys. Subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Yeah, that's it.